Yo, what is up guys? This is EvoZims, and in this video we're going to be finally starting the Java programming series for pretty much anyone who wants to learn a little bit about the basics of Java coding. So this is simply going to be an introduction video. I'll be talking a little bit about coding in general and introduce some of the core ideas for complete beginners. So before I begin, I definitely want to say that I am by no means a programming professional. I am a CS student for 3 years now. I've been coding in Java for about 2 years. So I pretty much want to teach people how to code based on how I would have liked to be taught when I was learning. So if you're already accustomed with the basics of Java, I don't think this is going to be the video for you. But nonetheless, it's definitely nice to have a refresher every now and then. So with that said, let's get straight into it. So what is coding? Well, coding is what makes it possible for us to create computer software such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Angry Birds, League of Legends, you name it. Like, they're all made with code. So code looks like this. This is some code written in the Java language. There are many different programming languages, but in this series we'll be focusing primarily on Java. So you're looking at this code and you're like, wait, what the heck does all this mean? What does it do? Well, I'm not going to go into detail right now, but when you think of a program, you can think of something like a game, for example. Let's not talk about Angry Birds right now. Let's go with something really, really simple. So you could think of any kind of game. Let's talk about something like a math quiz where a program asks, what is 1 plus 1? And the user, the person who's using the program, they're like, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the program is going to say, oh, you're right, good job. So of course this is going to be a really simple example, but I'll be showing you guys how to get from something as simple as 1 plus 1 to something as complex as Angry Birds in the future. And you're probably asking, wait, Angry Birds complex? Bro, that game is so simple. And while I do agree with you that the game is quite simple, the concept of it is very simple, but creating something like Angry Birds does take a lot of time, and it's actually a lot more complex than you might think. So I'm definitely going to show you guys a little bit about something as simple as a tic-tac-toe game. Over here I have a tic-tac-toe game that I've made, and if I run the game, clicking this play button, it runs the game. And so we have this window pop up, and I can pretty much click any of these squares, and that'll be X, and the computer automatically generates an option. It's like, okay, where should I go? What's the best move I can make based on what the user has inputted? So I put my X here, and the computer chooses O here, and it'll pick a different place depending on where I put it. So it's trying to win by itself. So I'm going to put another X right here, and so I decided to put the other one here. And so I'll put one right here, and it will lose. So that's pretty much it. And this simple game, this tic-tac-toe game, literally took me about, like, I want to say 7 to 8 hours to create, from complete scratch when I was learning. And it also took about 7 to 800 lines of code. I know this is just one file, but there are actually many files that are incorporated into this program. So with that said, I hope that kind of helped you guys understand a little bit about what we're going to be doing with this series, and I hope I wasn't too vague. I'm just getting started with this. I'll definitely try to get better. So comment in the comment section below, help me out with the, suggestions, recommendations, anything like that. Whatever you guys want to see. If there are any like games you guys want me to try and develop, definitely recommend me those. I'll show you guys how I would do it and stuff like that. This is pretty much what this series is gonna entail. For the most part, it's just going to be coders helping other coders out, beginners, advanced users alike. It's going to be really fun. I hope you guys do enjoy it. So that's pretty much it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.